Okay, so just unboxed my Hero 9, heading to Cardiff Whitewater, the place to go in South Wales for some late summer laps. Just gonna see how the camera goes, really, see how the colors are, see what the shooting's like. Lots of new features, so see how it goes. Let's go for a shred. Best thing about Cardiff is you never have to get out of your boat. Laps on, laps on, laps on. Done, pretty tired, stoked to be back on the water. Ashamed to miss the whole summer pretty much of tanky mix laps. It's good to be back, enjoying the ripper. It's a good time, still warm enough for a shorty keg, but it is getting a little bit nippy. What's up, thanks? Working outside, avoiding the Rona.
My office, my new office.
Looking good. Nah, I'm not changing that. Oh! Is that a Surfjet 2.0? That's the future. Done with night laps. Heading home now, it's 1 o'clock. Just having a look at, see how the GoPro is doing in the low light. It's getting pretty dark now. Looks like it's doing pretty tired now.